The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus blender is a powerhouse in the kitchen. With its modern design and 1400 peak watts of professional power, it's more advanced than its predecessor. This blender is built for performance, crushing ice effortlessly with its total crushing blades. Whether it's smoothies, frozen drinks, or homemade ice cream, the results are consistently smooth. The XL 72-ounce pitcher means you can make large batches for the whole family. It's a must-have for those who love blending convenience and power. Unlike standard blenders, the BN701 ensures every ingredient is blended to perfection, giving you a silky texture with no chunks left behind. With 3 Auto IQ preset functions, making your favorite drinks is easier than ever. The intelligent technology takes the guesswork out of blending, using a unique mix of time pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. Just press a button, and it does the work for you. Whether you're making a creamy smoothie, a refreshing frozen drink, or a sweet treat, it delivers perfect results every time. This smart automation ensures consistency and efficiency, making kitchen prep hassle-free. Unlike traditional blenders that require constant monitoring and adjustments, the Auto IQ system optimizes performance so you can focus on other tasks while it blends. It's a great feature for busy mornings or when entertaining guests. Cleaning up is just as simple. The BPA-free pitcher and stacked blade assembly are dishwasher-safe, making post-blending cleanup effortless. No more scrubbing or soaking, just place them on the top rack, and you're done. Plus, it comes with a 15-recipe inspiration guide offering creative ideas for smoothies and more. Whether you're a beginner or a blending pro, this guide helps unlock the full potential of the Ninja BN701. Additionally, the durable construction ensures long-term use, and the secure lid prevents spills, making it ideal for high-speed blending without mess. Versatility is another strong point of this blender. You can create a variety of delicious treats beyond just drinks. From sauces and dips to soups and even homemade nut butters, this machine handles it all. The powerful motor and sturdy blades can blend tough ingredients like frozen fruit and leafy greens with ease. It's not just about convenience, it's about achieving restaurant-quality results right in your kitchen. Whether you're making a morning smoothie, an afternoon milkshake, or a gourmet dinner sauce, this blender adapts to your needs effortlessly. With its powerful motor, intelligent Auto IQ functions, and easy cleanup, the Ninja BN701 is a game-changer. It's perfect for busy families, smoothie lovers, and anyone who enjoys convenience in the kitchen. If you're looking for a blender that delivers professional results at home, this one's worth considering. Get ready to blend smarter, not harder. From nutritious drinks to indulgent desserts, the Ninja BN701 ensures that every blend is smooth, delicious, and effortless. It's a perfect addition to any kitchen, bringing power, efficiency, and ease into your daily routine.